Well, hello everyone, David Cook with DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. And what we are doing is a quick measuring wallpaper for some stairwells. So I just did a quick draw out of one of the stairwells that we just recently were estimating for. So the box here is a stairwell, kind of has a little landing. On the very top of the stair, it's 12 feet tall, and then the very bottom, 8 feet tall. So the whole width of the paper is 18 feet long, which is 216 inches. So with 216 inches, we knew our paper was 21 inches wide, and then we have a roll that's 30 feet. So dividing how wide our paper is by how wide our wall is, comes up to 10.2 strips that we need. So now, once you have the layout of where the strips are gonna go, you need to figure out the length. So we need 5 strips. They're gonna be 12 feet plus 4 inches to account for the extra you need for the top and for the bottom. And then for the bottom, we got 2 full pieces, and then this little 6-inch piece that's gonna be 8 foot 4 inches. The stairwell is where it gets interesting, because the height this way is not even 8 feet, but when you level it off, you have to go beyond the bottom and beyond the top. So it's kind of an offset measure. So the bottom paper is going to go from here to here, but when you get to the top, you have to measure and have to canter it over. So when we measure it, I mark it on the wall since we're papering anyway. I just put a mark on the wall, and where my 21 inches is, I measure up to get that number, and then over and come down. So that way you're getting your height of the paper from the total top to the total bottom. And then once I know I need 3 pieces that are 10 feet, 3 pieces that are 8, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces that are 12, you add those up to see what you can get. This paper didn't have a pattern to it, so 12 feet, the roll is only 30 feet long, so it's this 12-foot piece. I'm only gonna get 2 strips out of one 30-foot roll. I'll get 3 strips out of this one, and then the 10-foot, because the 4 inches, same thing, I'm only gonna get 2. So now I'm gonna get, here's 1 roll, 2 rolls, 3 rolls, 4 rolls, 5 rolls. So it completely is 5 rolls of paper, and you have to make sure this is a double roll for the most part. So you have to make sure on that what's the length of the double roll, or if it's only sold in singles, whatever, it's only a single. So with that, we know we're gonna need 5 double rolls just for this one wall. It seems like a lot, and you're wasting actually quite a bit for every one of these first ones here. You're wasting 8 foot of wallpaper on every single strip. These are a little bit more efficient. And when you get a pattern, it makes it even worse, but we won't worry about patterns. This is just a quick and easy. We can do another one about patterns a little bit later, because that gets pretty confusing. But there's a quick thing on measuring wallpaper stairwells. If you have a question on measuring your wallpaper or wallpaper installation, I'd love to hear how we can help you. Love the home you're in. Thanks.